Hi there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a very useful topic that how we can find and remove duplicate entries in our worksheet. Duplicates can be real headache when working with large datasets in Excel. They can skew your analysis, create confusion and waste valuable time. But fear not, with a few simple steps you can easily identify and remove those duplicates. In this video I am going to teach you a very simple method in a step-by-step process, so don't go away and watch this video till end.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
This is the worksheet showing the employee sales record, employee name, zones and the sales amount. And first I am going to identify duplicate entries in this record. So I have to select this and then I have to go to the home tab. Under the home tab I will go to the conditional formatting. Then I will go to highlight cells rules and select the last option, that is duplicate values. And in duplicate values I will select the type of color that I want and then simply press OK to highlight duplicate entries in my data. So you can see that all the duplicate entries in our data have been highlighted. Now our next step is how we can remove these duplicate entries. So for this purpose again I have to select my data, and this time I have to go to the data tab, and under the data tab I have the remove duplicates, and here you can see that we have two options, select all and unselect all. So we'll choose unselect all and then only check the employee names and then press OK. So you can see that as I press this, the 5 duplicate values found and removed and 15 unique values remained. So this way we have removed all the duplicate entries in our data record. But you can see that there is still some cells which are highlighted, so it's mean that our conditional formatting is still applied. So how we can remove this conditional formatting? You have to select your data, go to the home tab, go to the conditional formatting, and this time go to the clear rules and then select clear rules from the selected cells. And now you can see that your data is cleaned, the duplicate entries are removed, and the conditional formatting that you have applied to highlight duplicate entries is also removed. And there you have it. I have explained a very easy method to highlight duplicate entries and to remove them. These techniques will help you to clean your data and improve your analysis. Remember, understanding and managing duplicate is a crucial for accurate insight. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials and tips. Always feel free to leave a question or suggestion in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy excelling.